Our group topic focused on connectivity and permeability. These principles involve an inclusive architecture and urban design strategy that connects main functional blocks or areas of a specific operation with well-defined interfaces, allowing for a fluent and flowing movement from different points. To begin our research, we established the main connecting pathways throughout campus. We decided to focus specifically on the connecting paths from Glenferrie Station to the AMDC and ATC buildings. During our site study, we noticed that the Swinburne campus lacked the coverage needed to protect users against harsh weathers such as rain. There was a limited lighting along campus pathways, which made late night travel quite unsafe for students. Another issue was a lack of connectivity from Glenferrie Station leading to the central paths throughout Swinburne. With this, we began to question how we could encourage flow and movement through the site by incorporating sheltered ways and lighting. During our research, we looked into the areas of connectivity, signage, accessibility and safety, identity and pathways. And through this, we then established each of three main categories: lighting, connectivity, and shelter. We also wanted to try and determine the best possible locations for the shelter, using investigations such as sun studies and pedestrian flow analysis to influence our design decisions. We looked into sun paths and their effect on the shadowing around the campus in both winter and summer months, from 8 to 4 p.m. in 2-hour intervals, to gain a better understanding where areas needed attention. The pedestrian flow analysis took data from site observation of students and pedestrians occupying these main pathways during the day. The frequent areas of activity were from Swinburne Station to the library and to the central zone around the ATC and EN building. From this analysis and the shadow study, the locations of the shelters were determined around the site. For the shelters, we took inspiration from a precedent by French artist Daniel Buron, who created a chromatic and luminous landscape for guests and visitors to experience. It features areas of colourful translucent walls and connects them with a prismatic pergola. Tinted glass in blue, yellow, orange, red, and purple create a prism overhead, subtly shifting in hue depending on the quality and position of sunlight filtering through. Incorporating the colours within the shelter and working with lighting, we established a design which ran from the perimeter of buildings EW, AR, and AD towards the central communal zone surrounded by the EN and ATC buildings. The light added to the safety and security of the campus. Our goal is to design for community, connection, and sense of place, all of which are fundamental to human experience, understanding, and connection. The design will emphasize, learn, and celebrate. It will offer a variety of spaces that draw people in, make them want to linger, and give them agency to use as they see fit, allowing students to express their own creativity.